Here's a pair of Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset, okay? A hard reset. So these are currently off. So let me first go ahead and turn these on. Let me press and hold this power button right here, the orange button. Let me press and hold for like 1 second. Battery 30%. Connected. Oh no, it says connected, okay? So if it's connected, I'm not going to be able to do a hard reset, okay? Now if I look at my iPhone here, I can see it's connected, okay? So you first need to go ahead and forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, then unpair it, okay? So I'm going to tap on this little eye here for my iPhone, and I'm going to forget this device. Forget it, okay? Now I'm going to do, it is on right now, and you can see the volume down over here. It's this button here. So what I'm going to do is press and hold for like 8 seconds or so, and you want to press, so the headphones are on. I'm going to press and hold the volume down. I'm going to keep holding for like 8 seconds or so, or until you see this light here blink purple 3 times, okay? So let me go ahead and put my finger on here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it says when I press this, okay? Ready, set, go. Beep. Ready to pair. And you did see the 3 purple lights again. We'll do it again. Let's factory reset these, okay? So it's still on. Let's do it again. Ready? Volume down. Ready? Go. Press and hold. One, two, three, and I heard a beep. And it says ready to pair, okay? So it's factory reset now. Now you can go ahead to your device or whatnot. Let me just turn the Bluetooth off. Let me turn it back on. It's still in pairing mode here. It's blinking slow blue and red. And the Crusher ANC comes down here. I pop that on there. And voila, I'm connected back. All right, pretty simple.